This morning we are making these almond croissants that we got from Trader Joe. We left it out on the counter to let it proof. Here's how it looks like, and we're gonna put it in the oven to bake for like 20 minutes. Spencer and Rina are feeling a little bit better today. At least his fever is gone. And Rina's looking a lot better too. Yeah. You don't have a fever anymore, right? When you know Rina didn't crochet all day yesterday, she's really feeling really sick. She didn't make anything yesterday, right?
I didn't even touch my crochet hook.
Yeah.
I was looking at it. I was like, no,
I
cannot do it today.
Today is day 1495 of us living the van life lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through the US, and we are currently in New York. We're not in our van because we're in New York to visit family for the holidays. You know, brush your teeth, Spence, yeah? Yeah, let's brush our teeth. Toothbrush. Oh, the croissants are looking and smelling really good. Oh, this came out perfect. Smells so good. I'm heating up a few pieces of steak that we got left over from yesterday. I'm just gonna leave it in the oven for a few minutes without it being turned on. I mean, the residual heat from making the croissant should warm it up. Because I'm not trying to cook it any further. I just want to warm it up a little bit. This is going to be a super creamy scrambled eggs. I've made this many times. I'm using a little bit of the bacon grease here. This is going to make the eggs really flavorful. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of truffle butter that my sister got from France. It's going to make the egg smell so good, so flavorful. Just a little bit. Oh, smells so wonderful. This is a technique that I've shown in the past, and I'm just twirling the pan around and just letting the eggs follow. This is going to create a really creamy scrambled eggs. There's a total of 4 eggs here. So pretty big scrambled egg. Okay, that's it. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how beautiful this scrambled egg came out. Truffle flavored scrambled eggs. Steak and eggs, breakfast of champions. This way, okay. Let's cut the croissant. Look how beautiful this came out, huh? All right, let's try a piece here. Is there filling in here? Oh yeah. There's a almond filling inside the croissant. This looks so good. Here, let's give it a try. Crunch, isn't it? Oh, it came out perfectly, didn't it? Is it good? Yeah? I'm glad you're eating something, Spence. You haven't really eaten the last few days.
Is it Emmy?
Is it good?
Very almond.
Almond? Yeah. I can smell it. I feel like. You can do the chocolate.
I like the other one better. The other one, remember, is like the cream cheese filling.
It's like a yimoga.
I like it.
Check out this beautiful scrambled eggs. The truffle is so good. You missed it? Today is New Year's Eve. If you guys are watching this video when it came out, hope you have a very prosperous and happy New Year. My sister's gonna have a New Year's Eve party at her house later this evening. I think we could probably go now. What do you guys think? You feel okay?
Okay.
Yeah. See how Spencer feels. Yeah. If Spencer is feeling up to it, then we can probably hang out with her and our friends there. But we don't know yet. We're gonna decide it later on today. Oh yeah, look. Good job. Can you put it in your mouth? It's the first time he's using chopsticks.
Papa.
Yeah, good job. Can you take another one? Here. Oh, good job, buddy. More.
Papa.
More blueberry. Can you take it on this side? Good job. Can you put it in your mouth? Can you put it in your mouth? Yay! Good job! Spencer's learning how to use the chopsticks. Oh. Oh, good job taking it out. Wow, you're so skilled. So they make these chopsticks that are for infant. I mean, these are beginner chopsticks. It kind of just springs itself back. But this is a good learning tool for your toddler to learn how to start using chopsticks really early. See, like this? Okay. Look at this bag that Rina is making right now. Look at this. There's a cool pattern here. 2 colors. Wow. Glad to see that Spencer is feeling a lot better. He's climbing, playing, and pushing the luggage around, which is a great sign. Use the wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle with your hand. Yeah? There you go, bud. Spencer just woke from his nap. He's looking a lot better, but Rina is getting a little bit worse. She just popped a Dayquil. See how that's going to be for her. If she gets any better. If she is, then we can swing by my sister's house afterwards. If not, then maybe we'll stay back. But let's see what Mama is doing right now. Where's Mama? Mama. Mama is cooking. I think Mama is cooking. Where's Mama cooking? 做咩跌咗落去？因為跌咗喺邊啊？
食啊，呢個邊邊。
執唔執到啊？小心啊你，捉實。要唔要幫你？
好啊。
OK，幫你聽。跌咗喺後邊。
唔係啊，呢度側邊啊，我鉗咗又跌翻落去。
OK，我幫你諗。Let's learn some Chinese. Foodie Tuyan. This is a book that teaches you Cantonese. It's a tap and learn. We got this from a company in LA. And what you do is you just tap the book, 广东话, and then it will speak it out for you. What is police car?
警車、
警車, right? Do you see that? What about this one?
太空船、
太空船, space shuttle. What about 飛機, airplane?
飛機、
Airplane. 仲有咧，我哋睇下啲動物好冇? What about lion? What does a lion say? What does a lion say? Does a lion say raw? A lion is
獅子、
獅子. That's lion. 蛋糕 cake.
蛋糕、
That's cake. 蛋糕 牛奶咧，識唔識牛奶 ？Milk。
牛奶
牛奶。哦，呢個你最中意嘅 is your favorite. This one is. What is this, Spencer? Ice cream, right? Ice cream is
雪糕
雪糕. Something that we make to help with sore throat is a honey lemon tea. It's really just honey, a few pieces of lemon in hot water. That helps soothe the sore throats. And I think Rina has a bit of a sore throat right now. There you go. 睇夠唔夠甜？ You want to try a little bit of the honey lemon, Spence? Spence? Mmm, it's sweet, isn't it? Yeah, Spence likes it too. My mom is making some chicken thighs, chicken drumsticks. It's chicken drumsticks. I'm gonna be cooking this pasta for Rina and Spencer. This is from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of this wild Argentinian red shrimps in here as well. I'm adding some ground beef into my soup mix here. And I'm going to throw in a few eggs here. Okay, here you go, Megan. Spence, you want to try this? How do you like the pasta?
It's a little spicy.
Yeah. I'm just having my usual beef bone broth soup with eggs and ground beef. Giờ là cái cây trái先.滷水雞髀。Great job, buddy. It looks like we're not gonna head over to my sister's house. Rina's still a little bit under the weather, and Spencer is kind of falling asleep. And it's raining really hard outside as well. I'm sure the people standing at Times Square are like soaked, and probably pretty cold too. So we're probably gonna stay in for the rest of the night. I'm gonna keep this day really short. Again, we didn't really do much today. Really just a recovery day again. And hopefully tomorrow we'll be up to do something different. And maybe go out a little bit or something. We've been stuck in the house for like 3 days already. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I still need to edit this video. If you guys liked watching this one, give us a thumbs up. That'll spread out to more people. Alright, we will catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Happy New Year, and we will see you guys next year. Bye bye. Alright. Can you say bye bye? Bye bye.